The Park Tool THS-1 Trailhead Workstation is a versatile repair center designed and built specifically for the conditions of the outdoors. The weatherproof stand features an integrated super stout cradle stand that gets both wheels off the ground, making any job easier. The THS-1 also includes 8 carefully chosen tools capable of helping with a wide variety of minor repairs and adjustments. The THS-1 mounts securely to any post or flat surface, or to the THP-1 mounting post available separately. The THS-1 Trailhead Workstation, a great addition to any place where riders may need some help to get back on their bikes.